Fairyland is a brand new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and let me show you what's included. In fact, I'll scoot these aside and we'll take these one by one. So here we go. Now this is the Fairyland Mirri Magic Topper collection, and this is going to have all of the wonderfulness in it that you've come to expect. Now of course it's going to have the idea sheet, so that's nice. It is single-sided, so you get 9 ideas, and that's great. And let me show you. Now the Mirri, M-I-R-R-I, is a very highly reflective paper, and you can see the beautiful look that you're going to get. And Hunkydory really uses this very sparingly. So you are going to get, of course, the die cuts. They are foiled because the Mirri is doing that for you. And in this, there are 106 die cuts. So you get this. Now to coordinate with this, you get a printed Mirri cardstock. This is an A4 size, so you actually get 2 that will match that each particular sheet of die cuts. So that's what works. Let me get you some more. Here we have this with the fairies, really pretty, which is exactly what you would expect. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. And then we have the fairies playing on the bottom. So nice. Now here is another one. And look at that, just all gorgeous. And here is the moon scene, and here is the daylight scene, so very pretty. And here is another. And the fairies look very lifelike. They have people faces, as you can see. And there is the cardstock that matches. Now you will be able to make, let's see, it is at least 16 cards with these, and so you can tell that you're going to get 2 of each one. Now the next piece of this collection is this. Now this is the Welcome to Fairyland Mirri Magic Pad, and you can see it's much smaller, so we're going to get in closer to see. And these measure 4 by 5 7/8 of an inch, and they are printed on one side, but again they are printed on that wonderful Mirri cardstock. So let me show you. And you get in this, let me see, there are a total of 40 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of 20 different designs. So how pretty. These are larger images of what we just saw, and it's nice to have the 2 sizes. I think a lot of people find great benefit in that. Look how big that ladybug is, how tiny that fairy is. Really sweet. And you get some horizontal imagery, whoops, as well as vertical. There we go, picking berries in the flowers, getting dewdrops, really pretty. And again, you get that high shine, just nice, just really kind of perfect for this season, don't you think? Well, I think fairies are perfect for any season. And one more, there we go. So vertical and horizontal images. Again, you're getting 40 sheets, 2 of each one. Now, in addition, there's also the foiled acetate, one of my favorites. Now this has 16 sheets. You're going to get 4 of each of 4 designs. So let me show you the designs so you can see the stars. And they are gold on one side and silver on the other, so you really get a bonus. Here is another one. In fact, let me show it to you on white. There you go, you can really see it now. And this has got the corner treatment, same idea, gold and silver. Then there's borders, very pretty. Heidi's done some amazing things with these. All over pattern, gorgeous. And another all over. Really pretty. And here we have, whoa, the border. I guess there are multiple, whoops, I'm showing you more than 4, aren't I? Okay, so that will be the first 4 that I showed you, okay? You're going to get 4 of each, so that takes care of that. Then the last piece in the Welcome to Fairyland are the inserts. Now, in this case, you get 36 inserts. You're going to get 3 each of 12 designs. So let me show them to you. These are ghosted back imagery of what you saw in the collection. And whoops, let me turn this around. There we go. So 1, 2, very pretty. Those are just shiny. So very ghosted back. And you can use them, they're called inserts because generally they're made to go inside your card, but you don't have to be limited to that. You can put them on the front of your card. You can actually make those die cuts go farther by using these on cards with the die cuts too. Strawberries, there's that ladybug and a big mouse. And those are the 12 designs, and as I said, you're going to get 3 of each. Now there's one more piece to the Welcome to Fairyland, and it's this. This is a Mirri Magic Deco Large collection. Now this is something different than the Topper collection. Let me show you. It offers you, of course, an idea sheet. Well, of course we want that. But inside you're going to see that you get these sheets. Now, each one is going to have a large image, and it's going to have borders, it's going to have corners, it's going to have greetings, and you're going to get 2 different designs in each sheet. But then to go with it, you're going to get what they call the large deco, and what it is another sheet that matches that you can just punch out and foam tape to build up an image, and that works really nicely. Now, here's a tip. You can build everything onto this, or you can separate it. Maybe take this and put this one with it, and this one, and that one, and put the others on a different card or scrapbook page, so that works. Now you can see you get the top, you get the basic piece, and then you get all the deco large pieces. You also are going to get a the adorable scorable. Now these are all printed on that Mirri cardstock, so it's highly reflective. It really is beautiful, especially on dark colors and dark patterns. Now there was a second one right here with the strawberries, so here she is. Here is her punch out piece, and here is her kind of adorable scorable, but it's on the Mirri, so that works okay. So that makes those 2. Then there's also these 2. So we're getting into the flowers, then the butterflies. Here is the, you get this out, there's the one that you're going to punch out and foam tape. And here is the adorable scorable that coordinates. On the other side, there is this lady, as well as those that you can punch out and foam tape, and the adorable scorable. So all of those. Now this is going to make, as she's looking, a total of 8 supersized cards. So everything that I've shown you is what you get in the collection. So to recap, we have the Welcome to Fairyland Deco Large, not to be confused with the Welcome to Fairyland Topper collection. Okay, got that difference. We do have the foiled acetate that you can use everywhere. We have the inserts that are going to coordinate, and then we also have that sweet little Welcome to Fairyland little book with the smaller imagery. All of these are here, and all of them welcome you to Fairyland from Paper Wishes and Hunkydory.